Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Wednesday, January 30th, 2019. And I just posted a signal right here for USDJPY, and it's a sell. Okay, but if we go over here and look at the chart, we see that it has a red arrow but a blue histogram. Okay, meaning that the overall trend is turning bullish. It's going to be going up. And we look right here in the past couple hours, it's really just shot up. Now it's hit this level of resistance, okay, and it's forming a red arrow. But the thing is, if you kind of look at this, I've been watching this the last about 2 minutes or so, and it shot up about 30-40 points in the last 2 minutes. So I think it's going to shoot up even more. And if I try to go back and look at another level of resistance, I really don't see none except for right in here, and that's not a very strong level of resistance. I don't really like this right here. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is going to shoot up a lot more. I don't know right now at this point, but it could shoot as high as this, or maybe like right here. If I draw a line right here at this point, it could potentially shoot that high. So, but what we do know right now, what we do know is that the overall trend is forming bullish. Okay, so with that said, you know, I wouldn't worry so much about how much further this is going to go up, and when you want to place a sell trade, I would place a buy limit pending order and catch the pips on the way back up. We know this is going to drop at some point in the next hour or two. Okay, this is going to start dropping, but it's going to form. It's going to hit a level of support and bounce back up again, and it's going to continue further and further up. Okay, so where is the support going to form? That's what we need to really look at. And we had this area of resistance right here, and this area of resistance right here. It hit this level 2 times and bounced off of it. Okay, this was a very strong level of resistance, but now that level of resistance has been broken. And whenever a level of resistance is broken, it becomes a support. All right. So as of right now, this is now a support, and I'm going to draw a line right here. Okay. So now we see that we have a potential level of resistance and a strong level of support. So what I'm thinking is that this is going to form a range right in this area, probably maybe a little bit higher. If you go up to this area of resistance, it's going to form a range right in here. Okay, just like it formed a range right in here and finally broke out now, and it's going to form another range probably for the next, I don't know, next 12 to 24 hours. And it's going to break out of that again and go further up. Okay, so that's just how the Forex market works. Okay, so what we do right now is we can catch pips on the way up. When this comes back down, we'll put a pin order here, trip the pin order, and catch pips on the way back up. And we're only looking to catch a few hundred pips. Okay, we're not looking for a large amount of pips at this point, because it's probably going to be tight in this range of market for the next 24 hours. So what I want to do right now is I want to place a pending order. Okay, and I'm going to go here and choose buy limit. Alright, and then I'm going to put right there where that blue line I drew, 1.09 and 109.525. okay, actually I'm going to put just a little bit higher than that. I'm going to put 550, okay, just to make sure it actually hits that. And then for take profit, I'm going to put 109 point, let's just say 750, okay. That should give me 200 pips. Alright, and if we look here, this is where the entry is for the pending order, the buy limit, and up here is the take profit. Okay, and this gives me an even 200 pips. Okay, $9 profit, so that's not bad. Alright, so that's pretty easy. Easy win. wait for this to come down, trip your pending order, and catch a few hundred pips on the way back up. Okay? So with that said, that is my free daily signal for today. Just let me know if you have any questions or comments by reaching out to me on Facebook. There's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Also, there's a link for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. You can send a request to join, but just also send me a message. Let me know you requested to join so I can add you right away. Okay? So, just let me know any questions, and I look forward to helping you. Okay? Thank you, and have a wonderful day.